welcome back to my channel. I am Robelinda and I'm with Janice, and we were having a Never Have I Ever challenge, best friend edition. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Ruby and I'm with Janice, and we were having a Never Have I Ever challenge, best friend edition. And while we're doing this challenge, we're gonna also eat. Yes. Never have I ever having a boyfriend. What about you?
The one common na kayo, so of course, I have ever not.
And I never have. Number 2. Never have I ever helped my siblings with their homework. How about you? Your siblings?
I only have one sibling. So, kuya. Pabata na ko is tabang ako sa akong kuya while ako kaya ang mga tabang niya kay tiguang ako kuya. So, never have I ever.
Never have. I never have.
Yeah.
And also, I never have. But back when I was in grade 6, in 6th grade, he helped me with the drawing. So yes, I got a 100 score. Thanks for him. Number 3. Never have I ever had my phone ring while in a movie theater.
Huh?
Number 3. Never have I ever had my phone ring while in a movie theater. Nagkuan daw.
Wala.
I never have. Number 4. Never have I ever run super quickly to bed after turning off the light.
I have.
I have to.
Kay, pabata na ko is sadukan ng kuya. Hindi ko alam sa damo kwarto day. So, I have
I also have.
Pero kung hindi naman.
Never have I ever dropped my phone on my face while lying down. I never have. How about you? I have.
Sa una na sa
Before. Never have I ever forgotten my best friend's birthday.
I have. Pero sa akong mga ubang amiga is yes, malimtan ako. Pero sa ilang birthday not daily. Sa date noon. Pero sa imong kay wala.
Well, me is
Yes.
I have. Yes, I have. One. Before kang Janice. Actually, I forgot your birthday.
Oh,
Yes. Kuan, ang birthday ni Daryl, ang birthday niya kinag-mix up. Imbes January, imbes February 12, sa may mo siya February 27.
so nalimtan mo ko.
Before. It was before. Never have I ever tried to cut my own hair. How about you?
I have.
I also have. Kuan, ganun trending.
Ayun pa ba niya, mga iba ron sa. Yeah, kasi mo feel bad atong face is we have to is that fun gani, the feeling na niya mo to i-cut mo out of nowhere. So,
Yes. Then ako kay Kuan, I try to cut my own hair kay kaya mga uso nga kan na bangs dere just like that. No to siya na effects. What's the effects? Never have I ever been suspended from school. I never have.
I
How
never
about
have
you?
also.
Yes, because we're good, smart.
We're good
Smart.
student,
Yes, we're good students.
but not smart. Just
Yeah.
bright away from the head.
Oh, okay, but away. Never have I ever been in love with a fictional character. How about you? I never have, but I think I have.
Umbot lang. Okay, every basa na ko is I only treat them as a character through books or ganin niya. I don't di na ko sila makuhaan sa life na ako kana it inspire me lang jud. Okay, English na magaling.
Never have I ever given a fake name to other people, to strangers.
I have.
I have.
Okay, since I am kind towards others, kay if someone ask my name, I would tell them something Mary Inana.
Yes. Yes, I know it's a power, but yes. Do not just give your real name to other people. Because I don't know. That's it. Never have I ever given away a gift someone had given to me.
I have. Kay, yata pag Christmas party na mo this, ay last year kay, kanang, di man ako, kanang, nanako inato mga sapatos, so, ako ang gibaligya sa
Yes! She stole it from me. Yes.
Yeah. So, ang katong nahalin sa nako kay nindot pa masad naagi. Oh.
Yes. Sa naghatag di ay kang Janice og gift pag Christmas party, we're also sorry.
Dili. Oo.
Yes, it was sorry because she gave it to you.
Mm.
And she sold it from me. For me.
Sold it.
She sell. So sell.
Sell and sold.
Yes, and me is I never have, because if someone give a gift to me, dili
Tapos na.
ma-picture tas English. Kung naay someone nga mohatag og gift sa ako nang dili na ko hatag sa uban kay, because I like keeping memories from a person, like memorable things, just like that.
Pero, sa ako, akong gi-share kanina is, di man kayo siya
Sentimental?
Yes, kay, it was just kuha mo to. Chato itawag na to monito.
Yes.
So, pero if someone, if na-special nga naghatag na ako something nga kuan kay, I would keep it man food.
Never have I ever read a book in one day. How about you?
I have.
I have to.
Since I am a reader gani. So if that story interests me, kay I would read it in just one day lang.
Yes, I don't think so if this is
What?
called a Bible, but I don't think so kung Bible doon sa basta kuan, it is a Bible sa mga kabataan. Yes, in just one day. I love the ending kay it's all about, I don't think so kung Revelation ba to? Revelation. Yes,
So okay,
Revelation.
since you kuan mo kanang serve mo ka.
It was before.
Yes.
Yes. Never have I ever said I love you to someone without meaning it. Never have I ever.
Said I love you without meaning it.
Yes.
So what does it
Mean?
Yes.
It is kuan kanang mayon kag I love you sa to, pero what
Waka ka-
can I mean? What can I mean? It's like
So, okay, dali. I have kay I have kay at the age of 14 but or 15 is I was already flirting. No, pero bitaw yes, pero karon sad kay di na kay ko maghatagan, pero sa akong mga girlfriends kay mo I love you ko, pero with love to nga pagka I love you.
gusto daw nun.
Kalawa na ikaw to.
For me is I have. Yes. It was before, but karon just like take it seriously. I love you.
Then,
Never have I ever slept in class. How about you?
I have always.
Always.
Tingod ti sa class ni ma'am kasi tanga kan katong sa stats kay koan.
Tumulak.
Okay, tingod to kay dukaon jud ko, yes.
I never have. Yes, that's it. Kay kung matug ko sa klase, I feared na ma-mess. Just like, basta hadlok ko na matug sa klase. Balag ka. Just keep going.
Pero pero kung dukaon sad ka when nagkuan ka, di mo na mamasod sa mga nauna.
Yes, true. Never have I ever had a date. How about you? You first.
I have.
I have. From who?
Secret.
I also,
Damo man kapay og name nila.
and also I have, yes, nang akong gidate siya. Yes, it's our best friend date.
Huh?
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 Date. Best
Balik ka
friend date.
You ditch ko mo?
Date.
Oh.
Yes, best
Dahil
friend
nga.
date.
Oo, sige.
And there's a different date, like the family date, best friend date, and your lover's date. Good. Never have I ever won a prize or competition.
I have. Atong sa bingo ni ma'am. Basta ito ma'am
For Dario.
board niya ma'am bindun. Kuan. Dagan na may tulong mi na daw, pero ako dito gikip ang ballpen pero nawa rasad.
And also I have nang nawon ako I won the competition a dance way back when I was in first kindergarten with my partner Charles. Never have I ever sat in the front row.
I have.
I also have always because of her.
Yes.
She wanted to go in the front row, especially sa school. Yes.
Oh, kay ay kanang mas prefer jud nako ang kuan ako sa tubangan kay mas makapaminaw kong tarong sa maestra. Nya aside ana is mga bright sa ana sa front row. Moto na pabida mabindo. Dayon.
Yes. Nga mga hilomon po naman nasa front.
Kasi
Never have I ever accidentally worn mismatched socks. How about you?
I have
I also,
Kadong pag-intin ako ba kay klaro na kaya nga di siya match pero wala naman ni judge so okay ra.
yes, I also have way back sa pagka-elementary na po.
Never have I ever kissed my best friend. Dili!
No, we're not just like that. Nang way back pag, I think last year ba to kay, nang namin sa City Mall ni Janice din, we were having a, this is not a TikTok, I think it is a Instagram, just, pag na mo,
Oo, to.
hapit,
May gilayo na.
oh, layo, gabi na dyan ba?
Never have I ever ghosted someone. I have.
I also have.
I also have.
Yes, I also have. Oh, I also have.
Kay, if you feel something about this, you have to ghost that someone para dili ka ma-daot or maunsa ba. Never have I ever had an alcoholic drink. I have.
I also have. Yes, nang way back 2012, I think.
Dugayan na na.
Ay, katong pagbata pa na ko kay my father, mo inom siya og ng
beer.
Gamay nga red horse. Yes, basta every night, para makatawag daw siya before. Then, ako sad kay, curious man kung unsay lasa na, mo ni kuan kog one sip, no. Lain siya kay pait jud siya. Nabalag pait siya pagka other gabi ninom gyapon ko.
Ah,
Nya, moto karon wala na ito gibuhat.
mainom ko occasionally ra. Pero karon di naman kay ko mainom or di na jud.
Yes. Nya ako katong we have a red wine gani kanang Maria Clara. I think that's a Maria Clara red wine kay. Mahadlok ko mainom ana. So na. My cousins know this. Shout out to Atil, Christina. Lo, kailan lagi ka? Kailan lagi ka sa tito na? Why?
Talang.
Kailan lagi ka?
Oo, kanyari ba si pag birthday niyo before?
Nangano kailan man ka siya ako gipasabot.
Kinain ka
Yes.
Never have I ever smoked a cigarette.
I never have.
I never have also, pero when back in my elementary days is I was curious good, so I in an alternative way gani nagkuhan ko papel tas akong gikuan sa ako gipasig ganya o to ang nakuha ako kay ang katong abog man ka-corny guys.
Pero as we kung bata-bata, curious man ta nga. Of course, we have a magbuhat tag alternative way, just like na kuan kara stick or just make. Yes.
Never have I ever been cheated on.
Someone?
Dili kanang nakichitan ka.
What?
Gichitan ba sakita de.
Gi-cheat?
Ni cheat I have.
Uso pag-cheat, nyawa mo kuyab.
Sakita ba eh. Never have I ever told a secret I wasn't supposed to share.
I have.
I also have.
We also have.
Pero if someone gives you their secrets, gani kay better keep it na lang kay bisod kayo magka-trust issue ang usa ka tawo sa imuha.
Yes, and
Di kami ko na ano yung
rule number 1, never rat on your friends.
never snitch.
Yes, never rat. 2, never rat.
Sure. Shake
Backstab, yes.
Have I ever gotten unexpected piercing?
I never have.
I have. Okay.
Yes.
Never have I ever kissed someone I just met.
I never have. But I also have on my dog. Yes.
Go on.
No, kiss someone.
Someone, uy!
Ay,
Someone.
I'm so sorry, but
Someone-
my dog is just someone.
Something.
Someone magyapon ng iro.
So, mana?
No! God, please, no! No!
I have.
No! No!
Never have I ever helped a friend lie by their alibi. By being their alibi.
I have.
Never have I ever. So,
I have.
I have. I
You
have.
also have. Yes.
Never have I ever been caught lying. I have always. Kay parang kung if kanang tanang secrets mo good is mo reveal jud na madugay bisag waka imo bisag gitry nimo og tago kay mo jud na masakpan na jud ka moong while sayo pa motug-an na ka kung unsa nimong sa dira. Charot.
Yes, because we have consulting walang sikretong naibubunyag.
Abi kong naibubuga. Never have I ever farted in front of my colleagues or friends.
I also have with my
Kapag ko niya I hope na tayo. Never have I ever farted in front of our friends.
friends.
Yeah. Or bisag kinsa? Wala. I never have.
Sa mga friends o mga kuan wala.
Never have I ever had a crush on my friend's sibling. I never have. Wait, sana ko yung mga friends nga wapo, kuya? Wala man. Mga
Yes,
gulang
I
naman
never
ako,
have.
mga gulang. Never have I ever gotten a tattoo. I have.
I have but kuan ka na gani. Where is my ball pen?
Never have I ever told my parents I was staying at a friend's house but was really somewhere else. Wala.
I have never.
I never have.
I have never.
I never have.
I have never.
Kay if bukan ko sa akong open ko sa akong parents pero kay baon ko makuan ko gud kana mo mamakak ko.
Bukan ito The result ay makanta na. Di lang mo lang kalit.
Ano na eh? Never have I ever stayed up all night. I have always and forever.
I have 3 a.m. na ko na.
Dili, all night man. Hindi man all day.
Oo, din no. I have never.
All night to eh. Pero consider na na all night sa 3 kay AM naman.
Day night sad na sa day.
Mo gani, never have I ever.
Never have I ever.
Never have I ever cried at school. I have katong pagkaan, di ba? Katong ni di man ta friends ato.
When her teachers die.
Dili, aside ato.
Ah,
Katong nihilak dito sa pap.
Yes, kuan, I have. Kuan sad karong 2024 sad to.
Never have I ever dyed my hair.
I have because
I never have.
I don't.
have.
Yes.
Never have I ever been awake for 48 hours.
I never have. I think she
I never
Oy,
have.
medallion.
48 day to?
Oh, okay.
Oh, dili sa to 48, no? Never have I ever broken up with someone in a way I regret. Ikaw.
Huh? Broken up.
With someone in a way I regret.
I have.
I have said. Pero di na ko ganan mo balik siya sa akong life good kay basin makodawaan bagyahat ko.
Yeah.
Sis kay kanang once nga kung ano imong ipugos imong kaugalingon pero ila dya pong buhaton kay kanang you tolerate. Ay, you tolerate. You deserve what you tolerate mo good.
Yes.
So,
Chapelain.
daghan na to. So, yes man na. Nabusog jud ko guys. Salamat.
And yes, we're done. And never have I ever challenge. Please subscribe, hit a like, and hit the notification bell. And also, comment. Kung namoy i-suggest nga mga vlogs, please comment down below.
Or
Subscribe.
basin
like.
nga na mukanta ka.
And also, share it with your other friends.
Kung dili mo man na naman iba kay pero niagi sa iyo ang kuan news feed kay nani kuan sa tawag na nani bad luck kung hindi niyo tanawan.
Hoy, no!